Melbourne and Victoria. A surprise at every turn. Presented by Visit Victoria and Singapore Airlines.
Good morning and welcome to day 3 of our Victorian adventure. I know I'm so looking forward to this day because we are at the most iconic locations in the world. 243 kilometers of the Great Ocean Road. Aren't you excited or what, Guntaz?
I'm so excited for today, especially because of the history behind this Great Ocean Road. It actually took 6,000 soldiers who returned from World War I. It took them 6 years to make this iconic Great Ocean Road. And today we'll be exploring all of it thanks to you.
I know, right? And this is one of the most iconic drives in the world. So I'm really looking forward to this long drive and the day that I have planned for both of us. Are you excited?
Yes, but can you get me some coffee?
Of course, let's go to launch.
Done.
God, what is this location and this beautiful morning and this gorgeous little town of Lorne?
And also I've been told that this place is actually really famous for surfing. I mean,
know.
Makes sense. It looks so good.
Yeah, the water is going to be so cold right now though, I can tell you that.
I'm certain.
But it's time for a coffee dare. How strong can you have your coffee? And what is the weirdest strong coffee that you've had?
I think it's time to try it out in Melbourne, so I can give you an answer.
But now we have like a day full of adventure waiting for us. So are you ready? Are you excited?
Very excited. Let's see what you have in store. Shivani, what is this view? It's absolutely insane.
Isn't it incredible?
Yeah.
I mean, look at the ocean behind you. It's pristine, it's gorgeous.
It's blue skies
I
blending it with the
know,
blue
and
ocean.
perfect
It
start
looks
to the day.
amazing. I
The drive
agree.
up to here was fantastic. With the Great Ocean Road always on our left, and
So
it
lovely.
was just fantastic. So this is an iconic location where you get to see the entire
Apollo Bay.
Apollo Bay. And
Love
there is
it.
a reason why I've got you here to enjoy this incredible view.
Which is so gorgeous.
So it
It's
was
lovely.
just the perfect start to the day. How's the Josh?
डर लग रहा है मुझे।
From up here, we get a grand sweeping view of the iconic 12 Apostles, standing tall along the coast, carved by the ocean over millions of years. It's even more stunning from the sky.
Shivani, it was amazing. Oh my
I
God.
loved it. I
Thank
loved
you
it
for
too.
taking me.
I know, right?
It was
What a
insane.
I know.
Like the apostles, then you have blue and green and the white sea.
I know.
Merging with the blue sky and then the sun glistening on it. Oh my God, what a sight! It's sunny and it's
To
the
be
weather's amazing.
in a helicopter and to see these 12 apostles.
Just be up there and just look down
I know.
and the waves hitting and crashing the rocks. Like,
I loved it.
yeah, it's gonna
Loved
definitely
it.
be one of the experiences of my lifetime. Like
Yeah, yeah.
100%, never forgetting.
Yeah, and as we are speaking, there is one chopper which is just about to land right here. Did Did you really think that I'll come all the way to Great Ocean Road and not go for a run? Well, here I am enjoying a beautiful trail run, loose soil, sand, and the ocean view. Isn't it exciting? Let's go! Today again, Guntas, what an incredible day it was. From the actual drive that we experienced of the
stunning.
Great Ocean Road, picturesque. I honestly could not stop taking pictures of the Great
Same,
Ocean
my
Road. I'm
camera's
definitely
full.
coming back. I am definitely coming back.
But I think my favorite has to be the helicopter ride.
Heli ride was
Beautiful.
incredible.
But that's great. And with that,
We must say that Melbourne truly is every bit different. Yes.
but because
there is
my-
a but.
Yes, because my friend's an adventure junkie. Do you see where everyone's going and coming?
Where are they going and coming from?
They're going to Gibson Steps. Now these
Oh,
are 82 steps.
oh, so
which-
I'm going down.
Yes, I'm going to dare you to go down.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Give me a 5.
Make-
Wish me luck.
do me proud.
Goodbye.
Tomorrow, it's time for a twist in our adventure. Guntaz and I have planned a day for each other. We head out solo to explore Victoria and Melbourne. See you tomorrow.